What's up, good people? My name is Larry Jones, and this is the family known as Stock Up with Larry Jones, okay? Take a second right now at the beginning of this video, hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell if you are not notified. Make sure it is selected to all. This video today will be a little different. I know there's a lot going on in the stock market and a lot going on in the crypto market. But because this is Financial Literacy Month, at the same time that we got to pay our taxes, I want to talk to something. I'm going to talk about something that's extremely important to most of the people that are listening, to most Americans and most of you that are from around the world. All right. So let's look at what is just happening. We are in America. We're filing our taxes, right? And I'm going to title this video, "Are You Insane?" So now the government is taking their money and we're finding out how much money we actually made from the previous year, right? So what a lot of us are planning on doing with our money is why I'm actually asking this question, are you insane? Some of us know that we got a tax refund check coming back. Millions of Americans are finding out, yay, we got money coming. What are we going to do with it? The average American don't have, over 60% don't have $2,000 for an emergency, okay? Don't have $2,000 for an emergency. Over 60% of Americans, right? There's roughly 330 Americans in the United States, 330 million, okay? Over 60% don't have $2,000 for an emergency. Do the math on how many millions of people that. Yet and still, we're about to buy our 5th flat screen TV in our 2-bedroom apartment. Are you insane? Are you insane? And you don't have an emergency fund. I'm saying this because I want to get under somebody's skin, and I need everybody to share this with your families, okay? If you have on $350 to $500 pair of gym shoes and you don't have $500 in savings, and not just the savings, because money is not really that good, but you're not investing, I'm going to ask the question again. Are you insane? Because we are sheep and we keep following the same path that our forefathers, you're a generation just like this. I'm going to bounce all over the place because I'm going to say things that need to be heard. If you go to the projects, the average person in the projects, their parents grew up in the projects, their parents' parents grew up in the projects, and sometimes there's 4 generations. That's a curse. That's a generational curse. And I'm asking you, what do you plan to do with your tax return? Do you need another flat screen TV? Do you need to have a Gucci bag, all right? Do you need to go wilding out, go on vacation, wear everything, just spend this money foolishly? No, you do not. You need to make that money work for you. I go to the mall and I see lines of people every time there is a new pair of Jordans. I see lines. I just take videos with my phone. One of the times I walked up to the very first person I saw and I said, "Excuse me, are you buying shoes for your son?" She says, "Yes." I says, "Tell me the truth. Did he do good in school?" "Nope, D's." And I says, "How much are you going to spend?" She said, "About $400 on some shoes." So your son got a D and you want to buy him $400 of a pair of shoes. When the truth of the matter is the stock is generally cheaper than the product that you're buying. So I'm going to challenge you. You do know that what being insane is doing the same thing and expecting something different to happen, right? We know that that's the definition of insanity. So I'm asking you, Why would you continue down this road of insanity? That's insane. You're not building generational wealth. So my challenge is for everybody that gets a refund check that does not have a savings or does not have money to invest, first thing I want you to do is start saving for an emergency first. Second thing I want you to do is get out of debt. Stop paying those high percentages on credit card. The third thing I want you to do is start investing for your future. Okay? Learn how to pay yourself 10% soon as you get your money. To pay yourself 10% because you're giving your money away to everybody else. Everybody always asks, how much money do I need to start investing? And I say, how much money do you have? And then I ask them to look up something on their phone. And then I ask, how much did that phone cost? So if you have an Apple phone, the price of Apple stock is cheaper than the Apple phone. My challenge to you is, if you have an Apple phone, go buy some Apple stock. If you're going to get the new pair of Jordans, or if you even purchase Jordan, go buy a share of Nike, because the share of Nike is cheaper than the shoes. Let Nike pay for your shoes. Let Apple pay for your Apple products, your iPads, your MacBook Pros, your iPhone. Let Apple pay for it. And if you want to get a Tesla, you already know what I'm going to say. Let Tesla pay for it. Buy some Tesla stock. And if Tesla hasn't gotten to the point where it pays for the Tesla, then you just wait. You just wait. Or else you're insane. You're going down this path to insanity. I want to speak to minority communities. I want to speak to people that have less. I'm going to tell you something that's happening. The middle class is shrinking. There is going to be the rich and the poor. The middle class is shrinking. The poor are getting poorer and the rich are getting richer. Why? Because they don't allow generational curses like that to rule them. They think and react differently than most people do. There's a saying, if you want to be rich, do what rich people do. Rich people are patient and they wait, okay? They think and react to money and finances differently than most people do, okay? So let's change what we're doing. I want to challenge you and everybody that's listening to me. I'm begging you to send this to your family, send it to your loved ones, send it to your kids. I want you to look at everything you consume and I want you to see, is there stock in it? If you're at Walmart every weekend, you should own some Walmart stock. If you're at Walgreens, you should own some Walgreens stock because they're going to do good even through a recession. Those are the ones that are going to fare good. And I can guarantee you the amount of money to buy the share of stock is going to be much less than what you're doing purchasing the product itself, okay? So that's my challenge. Every time you get ready to purchase something, see how much the stock is, or else you're insane. You're going down a path of insanity. You're doing the same thing, hoping for something else to happen. I don't have anything but love for you guys. I want to tell you the truth. And I'm going to tell you that there are certain political parties, and I'm just going to shoot it to you straight because nobody wants to tell you guys the truth. There is a political party that runs most big cities, okay? And they tell you, oh, let us take care of you. We're just going to cut checks. And the only reason why they keep cutting you checks is because they want to control your vote and they want to keep you in financial slavery. That's one political party. There's another political party. They do all of the tax loops. They have all of they pay less on a percentage in taxes than you and I do. but they don't let you and I know what they are because they really don't want you to partake in it. That's why I hate politics on both sides. It's time for you to wake up and stop going down this insane path, okay? I'm extremely passionate about it because especially with minorities, it's time for you to take control of your finances. And I don't care if you make $30,000 a year, you can retire a millionaire. If you just get on the right path and change your spending habits. I challenge you to pay yourself 10% first when you get your check, and then make sure all of your other living expenses is beneath that. Larry, I can't do that. Then sell something. Sell a car, sell your house, downsize your apartment. Do what's necessary now so you can live later. Do it now and your latter will be greater. So that's my challenge to everybody that's listening to me. And if you have set up yourself financially well, then I dare you to send this. We all have family members and friends that need to hear this message. So I'm going to end by asking you again, what are you going to do with your tax return? You going to go blow it, buy another flat screen? That's what they want you to do with it. We call that the okie doke. Don't be a sucker, all right? Hey, my name is Larry Jones. Listen, I don't care what trading platform you have, and I pray that you have one. If you have Robinhood, keep your Robinhood. If you have a traditional platform, you keep your traditional platform, okay? But what I want you to do, only for those that don't have a trading platform, as a matter of fact, it doesn't matter if you have a trading platform. I have 2 links below. One is called Webull. They're going to give you 6 free stock worth up to $9,600 by depositing 1 penny. Just deposit the 1 penny and get the free stuff. Second one is Moomoo. They're going to give you 6 free stock up to $3,500 by depositing $100. Get the free stuff. All right, good people. And that's what I wanted to share with you today. This is very important to me. I am extremely passionate about this because this is Financial Literacy Month. So while the government is taking our money, we need to be making more money, okay? Hey, this is Larry Jones. This is a family known as Stock Up. If you haven't liked the video, like it now. And let's leave with this jam. I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn. We'll see you later. What's up, good people?